peacock. Yes. Okay, and I will use it with green paint because I'll make the baby green, because I know green is one of my favorite colors, but I'm still using it. Green doesn't want to work. Blue is good as an example. Wow, such a nice waterfall. Tumbling test tubes. Okay, I squirted a lot of blue. There, that should be enough blue. And now squirt it before it dries. Squirt it all around your fingers before it dries. And there. You tell me to stop. Oh wow, that's looking nice. Am I even doing with my stupid hands? Okay, next step. No, much. Like a little bit. And it'll have little cute feet because it's a baby peacock. Okay. So we have to wait for it to dry. And not this one. This. So I can't use it for available chat. But what we can do is this. Okay, the green didn't explode, thank God. Boing, bam, bam, bam. Make sure the green doesn't mix. Oh, that's a head of the peacock. I almost forgot. Okay, the water is actually cold. White and test tubes. You see, it blends in very well. But I also went for the yellow red or black. Wait. Let's retry with the progress. And I've seen, I think this one was a lot of. You see, the middle finger has a lot of. And this finger wasn't painted. And now, and we have to do is just write the name. Bay. P. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Bye.